In this video, I will show you shortcut key to create a new document in Microsoft Word. So shortcut is Control plus N, press Control plus N. So press and hold Control then plus N. So this is the way to create a new document in MS Word. Another way, File, Add, New. And here select ready to use template, cards, letters, invoice. So many options. Just select it and edit and modify this document as you need. And if you need blank document, so select this blank. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.